In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 ways to make passive income online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So I get this question all the time. Lester, how do you build passive income online? How do you build a business that pays you every single month, whether you work on it or not? This is a difficult question to answer because it all depends on what type of business you're building, and it depends on the resources and your experience and many other factors. But today I want to break it down to just 5 business ideas, 5 passive income ideas that you can start building this year to be able to build a passive income that pays you every single month, whether you work on it or not. If you want to build a business that pays you passive income, usually it will require some of your time. Perhaps not, a full-time 40 hours per week, but it will require for you to actually work in your business, perhaps, an hour, 2 hours per week or something like that, to be able to continue to grow that business. So far, I haven't found a business online that pays you money 100% without you doing any work whatsoever. If you have an online business that only requires maybe 1 or 2 hours per week to just maintain, or maybe perhaps run other people, and you have a team of people who's handling all the workload, and you can just sit back and just collect the paychecks and just make sure that everything's working well, then you have a semi-passive business, which is typically what I have. I don't consider that I have a passive online business because I do have to keep checking that everything's working fine, and I have to make sure that if I have people writing content for my blogs, that they actually are writing the right content that I want them, that the blog is running smooth, that the servers are being paid, and all this information that needs to be checked every once in a while. So it's not truly 100% passive, but it gets real close. So let's start from the 5th all the way down to the 1st. And number 5 is starting an e-commerce business. This has become very popular this year, of people starting Shopify stores and doing Amazon FBA. And typically it requires a lot of work in the beginning. You have to make sure that you have the right store, that you have the right look, and you need to send traffic. You need to do maybe Facebook ads to get more traffic to your store. And there's a lot of work involved in the beginning to be able to grow an e-commerce business. The same thing goes to Amazon FBA, because there's a process that you need to learn and you need to automate in order to get to a level where sales are just coming in every single day without you having to do anything. Once you start generating traffic, once you start getting sales, you can have a team and you can outsource customer service. You can outsource many of the aspects of the business, because you can pay someone to handle all the marketing for you, to handle all the traffic. Everything that is required to maintain your business, you can have someone do it for you. But I call this a semi-passive business, because it does require for you to pay attention to what's going on, because sales are not going to be there all the time. You're going to have competitors, you're going to have people trying to sell the same product you're selling, and Facebook is going to make some changes that is going to affect your traffic. So you have to stay on top of things and make sure that everything's working really well. So that's why it is what I believe one of the top 5 ways to make passive income online. So let's go to number 4. And number 4 is a niche blog. Now, I rank this number 4 mainly because if you know what you're doing, if you can build a blog, a niche blog, you can build a blog about cars, you can build a blog about news or sports or politics, whatever it is you want to talk about, that you utilize SEO properly to rank your content on Google, so you get automated traffic, organic traffic to your blog, and then you can monetize your blogs with banners, with ads, with your own products and services. So the more traffic you can get to your blog, the more passive it becomes, because that way you can make more money. Starting a blog requires very little investment compared to an e-commerce business. With an e-commerce business, you do have to make an investment in the beginning of a few $1,000s to start your Shopify store, getting traffic, in getting products and getting all this information. In the beginning, it might cost you that much. With Amazon, the same thing. But a blog, it doesn't cost you a lot of money. You can get started with a blog for less than $50, but it will take time. It will take time for you to actually build an audience and make more money. Once you get going, once you get to a point where you're getting 50,000, 100,000, a million visitors per month, all you have to worry about is getting new content, which you can outsource, and making sure that your website stays online. That's pretty much it. That's the only two things that you got to worry about with a blog. And if you're getting 100,000 visitors a month, a year, or a week, that means you have the potential to make passive money, because all the sales from your products and services, from affiliate products, they're coming in automatically from the traffic being generated by Google, by social media, by people sharing your posts. Currently, I have multiple blogs that get thousands of visitors every single day. When I started in the beginning, I wasn't getting any traffic at all, but with time, with more content and building multiple audiences, allowed me to scale that to thousands of people visiting my blogs every single day, which now results into passive income from the traffic that's coming into those blogs. So it's definitely one very powerful way for anyone to start building a passive income business online. So number 3, affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, it's considered to be, perhaps in my opinion, one of the best ways for anyone to start making money online. You don't really need a lot of money to start with affiliate marketing, unless you want to buy a website or buy a tool or software or something like that. But typically you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can find affiliate programs online for free. You can go on ClickBank, you can go on jvzoo.com, you can find affiliate products, digital products that you can promote for free. And if you get sales, then you make a commission. If you're able to generate traffic to any affiliate offer, all you have to worry about is getting your paycheck. And if you're able to build an audience that feeds into affiliate marketing, then you're able to monetize that audience in multiple ways. So let's say you have a blog with affiliate marketing products. So if you're getting thousands of visitors to your blog every single month, then that means you're getting sales on autopilot, because you're getting all those sales are coming in from the traffic to your blog, and you're basically not trying to sell anything. You're simply just suggesting products to people related to your niche. This is how I was able to go full-time online. You can go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide below. I show you how I actually started making money with affiliate marketing in the beginning, to a point where I'm now making $100, $200, $300 per day with affiliate marketing. So number 2 is to sell your own products or services. So you're creating the product one time, and you can continue to profit on that product over and over again. So if you have your own product or service that you can promote, then it'll take you perhaps a few months to create that first product or service. If you're an expert in something, you can package that into a product. You can sell it for $100, $1,000, whatever amounts of money you want to sell it. And if people are willing to pay for that information, then you can make a lot of money. You can make passive income, because you did the work once and you're profiting from that work over and over again. The main thing to remember is that you do have to have a really quality product that makes sure that it provides good information to people, that you're solving a problem. And if people are willing to pay you money for it, if you have an audience that you can promote this product to, then most likely you'll be able to make money. My number 1, to start your very own personal or business brand online. The best thing that you can do this year to ensure that you're profiting from all of those 4 passive income ideas that I just mentioned. Just think about this. If you have a brand online, if people know your name, if they know your company or your business, then you have a chance to be able to expand that brand, to sell your own products or services, do affiliate marketing, expand into multiple platforms like blogging, like YouTube, like Facebook, like Twitter. You can grow your brand everywhere, and people can get to know your brand, and they can engage with your brand. You can use that engagement to promote your own products and services, affiliate marketing, to promote an e-commerce website attached to your personal brand or business brand. This is an opportunity for you to grow your personal brand into a platform, an ecosystem, where it allows you to make money with everything that you can think of. It allows you to make money with your own product, or affiliate marketing, a blog, whatever it is that you can think of. It allows you to do that. So that's why I believe that a personal brand or a business brand is the best way to go. If you go on Google and you search for the top affiliate marketers online, you'll find that they have a personal brand. People know their name. They know what type of products they're offering. They know their website, their blogs, their YouTube channels. A business brand is simply when you take a company name or a business page or something like that, and you expand that into an actual company that allows you to make money in all of these ways that I just mentioned. I'll give you an example. Mashable.com. Mashable, what started as a blog, now they have a YouTube channel, they have Twitter page, they have Facebook page, and they're everywhere. Everyone knows what they're all about. They get millions of visitors every single month, and they've been around for a decade or more. So that's how you build a brand. You'll find the same thing on YouTube. You'll find channels that started 5-10 years ago. They're a business brand, and basically that means that they're posting content on behalf of a company, not an actual individual, but that allows them to grow into the space and build an audience, and allows them to monetize that audience, and basically make a lot of money in the process. So those are my top 5 passive income ideas. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you want to learn how I actually built my affiliate marketing business, go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide below. You learn exactly how I did it and what I'm doing now, hopefully to give you some ideas and some information that you can use in your own business. If you have any questions, leave them to me in the comments below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money online. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.